8. Rare deep-sea creatures. 8. Gonotus antarcticus, squid. In 2025, explorers captured the first-ever footage of this mysterious Antarctic squid alive, in its natural habitat, showcasing its graceful movements in extreme cold and pressure. 7. Octopoteuthis delatron octopus squid. MBARI's 2025 footage shows this hybrid-like cephalopod with octopus-style arms, including rare defensive ink ejection at depths around 700 meters. 6. Phryia dubia, giant siphonophore. One of the longest organisms on Earth, up to 130 feet, this colonial creature was filmed in exquisite 2025 detail, drifting like a predatory net in the deep. 5. Lampoctaeus cruentiventer, bloody belly comb jelly. Its iridescent rainbow sheen and blood-red gut, for deep-sea camouflage, shown in MBARI's 2025 high-def footage at over 700 meters. 4. Ediocanthus antrostomus, Pacific black dragon. This ultra-black predatory fish, with a glowing lure and massive fangs, was highlighted in terrifying detail during MBARI's 2025 expeditions. 3. Tonius sp12, peacock squid. Famous for shifting iridescent patterns, this squid displayed mesmerizing color changes in 2025 MBARI footage from nearly 1,000 meters deep. 2. Stellamedusa ventana, bumpy jelly. With its distinctive lumpy bell, this jelly pulsed elegantly through the water in rare 2025 observations, feeding on plankton in the midnight zone. 1. Gonotus onyx, black-eyed squid. Captured mid-meal devouring a fish in 2025 footage, its huge dark eyes are perfectly adapted for spotting prey in near-total darkness.